Welcome back to Roaring River again. Big up on yourself. I want to know if you see the beautiful place again. So all who no come yet a jam down from overseas, you guys need to come over on a vacation, as I said before. You understand? So come down and come enjoy yourself. You know, watch the ride. You see the road beautiful, look on the tree them. No, you know, look on the place so beautiful and pretty. You know, look. Alright, see the river down there, so I'm going to go down there in a few. So just have a look. Take some time and have a nice look and enjoy the feelings. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, Candy Empress in the place again. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you. Like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself all the time. We in a place. Alright, so here I know. We are going to go down in the place now. So you can see what take place. See? Alright. Alright. Alright, see it there? Nice and beautiful from afar. Worse when we reached closer. You understand? Yeah. Big up on yourself. Watch your road. Don't walk down in that little road and go down in it. Nice and clean place. Yeah, you know doing that already. Tell you already, you know. Yeah. Alright, you know watch your place. Watch your place. Nice and cool. A rainy time now in Jamaica, so the place kinda bleaky, you know? Yeah. So no big up on yourself when you're not ready. Come down in the place and the vacation, no man. Sure. I want to know. Come enjoy yourself with your family. Yeah. Enjoy yourself, man. Just come down in the place and enjoy yourself. I don't know if when you come meet me too, you know, because I can't wait to meet someone. Oh no, big up on yourself, all of my fans, them all over the world. I love you guys. Okay, here I know. Candy I send love straight from Candy Empress. Straight from yard to broad. And I'm sending you over to YouTube to subscribe to my channel, Candy Empress, and you can go over straight to Public Report official channel and subscribe too. Also go over to the original Richard Brown Films channel. Yeah, big up on yourself and subscribe also. Yeah, man. So anytime you come a jam down, no problem if you don't know a place. We will show you, or we can direct you, and find you way. You can't last. Ask fee pass. You understand? Alright. Candy in a place again at Roaring River. Yeah, man. The original name for the river, yeah. Big up on yourself. Nice and clean river. You just come down and come hold a fresh now. Come hold a nice little dip in there and see the water nice and cool. Lord God, it worse so rainy time, you know, it worse when the sun hot. You go in there, you don't want to come out. Me, I tell you that. So you come out in a bad suit, and all of the man them come out in a them bad chunk and big up themselves. Because I know say you have some nice and clean skin man out there, you know, where them body look sexy and then shape good too, you know. Oh, when you think a woman want look good and sexy and shape good, so all of the nice clean skin girl, they want to come out a Rolling River and see the thing. Yeah, come enjoy yourself. I eat that. Look up on the stream and run down. Look on the stream. Nice and clean. Look there. Nice and clean. Yeah, man. Yeah. Look on the people them. Yeah, man. See Richard and Alton down there. So, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Enjoy yourself. Well, little rain and sprinkle again, so I go pause a little bit and then I come back again. Okay, love you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share on Candy Empress channel. Hey, wanna look on them nice two little pretty kiddie here. Look on the two good kids where them a live good and them nice and I get them shelter cause rain a fall. Oh God, it's a blessing. I wish somehow we could have lived so good and a shelter with one another. Oh my God. Hello kitty. How are you guys doing? Are you brothers and sisters? Nice meeting you guys. My name is Candy. What is yours? I know some name kid already, but for no matter not give you no other name. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. I sound look pretty and nice. You know look like you could be some pet kid. Alright. Bless up on yourself. Hey kiddie, you better go over to my channel, you know, and subscribe to Candy Empress channel. Hello. Hello. Yes, you me talking. You need to go over to my channel and subscribe to Candy Empress channel, right? Alright, that one they say yes. You make sure say you go over there to me. No, no joking with you. You back up. You feel send me a ramp. Want to remember that tree, yeah? Nice and tall. Yes, we are go straight up to the top. When you look up in the sky, see where we not stop rise until we reach to the top. Yeah, nobody can stop you guys, neither do I. I'm gonna always try, and it doesn't matter what people say, just continue trying. Yeah, don't listen what the Eden them say, man. Just try and rise. As so you fall, rise up back in the name of Jesus. Yeah.
They really come right there, son. Come right there, son. They really this is what they must have done. They must have done. I was like, they really need to know, and I'm like, you don't want to marry me, so what do you do? Really? Do they really need to know? You don't want to marry me, so what do you do? Come again, don't clap. Don't clap, can you hear it clapping? Oh, you can hear it? Ready again. Do they really need to know? You don't want to marry me, so what do you do? Right, I don't remember. No, remember something to say. You can try. Remember something to so we can try to see if we can sort out the work for me. You have to give that chance to want to marry this man here. Ready. Remember something talk about this already, you know. And we said, boy, we could have try to see if we can get back to work for me. You know, you talk about marry this man here. No, I told you, you know what? Ricky, I already told you the work permit situation is expensive and my work, they said they're not going to cover this time. They are going to cover the fee. Yep. Okay. My work to them now cover the fee. Ready? Come on, that girl, I will not ready? My work said they're not going to cover the fee. So, they're going to cover 300,000 for 1 year. No, this is too much for me right now. Come, right now this is too much for me. So just stay and watch where I watch. Really? Right now, this is too much for me right now. Seriously, so let's do I just think what you told them and the way I do and it's coming. Now put up. Right now you give me an idea. Now put up. Yeah, later. When I come home. Come back and then no after. No, take my 12 after. Come on, sir. Sorry, sir. Feel like I can't tell my
See the river, the rain a come down. You know, star rain a come down. Me I go stop right here now and then start back again. Just give me a few minutes. Let me see if the rain will ease up a little bit. Alright? Wanna watch it. I'm gonna watch it nice and clean river. Watch this. Wanna can't wait to come in 18. Come get the niceness. Nice and clean. Yeah.
Alright, come on down here.
On the road river slide, you see me? We're not far but we are going normal, you see me? Yeah, man.
Alright. Big up on yourself. This is Candy Empress from Richard Brown Flint. Listen, I want to know for as usual. Who don't know, tell the other persons, them like friends, families, all neighbor, even if you know them not talk. Tell them to go over to Richard Brown Flint and subscribe. Please remember to like and share, leave a comment. Go over to Candy Empress channel on YouTube and subscribe also. Nation Paradise. That's her name?
Paradise Nation.
Paradise Nation. Sorry, Paradise Nation. Go over there and subscribe for me, please, and thank you. Also, public report channels. Please, big up on yourself. Love on you guys as always. Thank you, guys. Please, remember to subscribe, you know. Oh, remember, thank you.
Yo. Great day, whatever time it's raining, very great day.
Sorry about the rain.
Candy, big up yourself, Candy. You know where you go. Family, you know where you go. Big up yourself. One normal, Candy Empress. Big up yourself. You know where you go. We're in a real river right now. And rain a fall. We are shoot. Right now we're cold. Andrew Wellness, people want rum. You know where you go. Big up yourself.
Give thanks to the Most High God. Put it on the mouth. Give thanks to the Most High God, Kings of Kings, the Lord of Lords. The conqueror lion of the tribe of Judah shall break all chains and break the barriers.
Me and this somebody at the classmate to the man. Me and somebody at the school together.
I just want to go there to tell friend of my brother. I told them now.
Yeah.
We'll never see next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, long time. Big you up to the Rasta one. Allah.
Are we at the greatness up?
Pardon me?
Bear.
Bear.
Oh.
Is it because now more to because I'm gonna say, hey.
Somalia. This is the first time to Jamaica. Oh, you like it here? Yeah.
Okay. Well, I really enjoy the island.
Lots of food and water. You see a lot of water running. And we have a lot of food up here. Yeah?
I've never seen a river before.
But look,
Never in my life.
there's a river. Lots of food and water. And nice sunshine. You know what I mean? You see a lot of wood. You see a lot of wood.
What kind of wood?
Wood.
You have to ask if it comes to water or wood.
Which one they come from? Water or wood?
Wood.
Wood they come from?
Yeah.
Wood there for you. Wood there enough. No wood there.
Sorry, Daddy.
You can do that.
Don't make it up. African
Kitchen.
You don't even know your actor's origin. You know what's a bit? We tell people the mix. No, white Jamaica. That's my little story. I get one of those. That's fire. No, but we can. And he was Like that deep. Don't like ready?
No, don't. Win. Good.
Big boss, we can walk up and get some nice video of you, you know? Yeah, some nice video.
I got me seeing somebody
Antoine.
Yo! There. Oh, what the? Tired. Tired.
You're tired, you know, start work yet. This is the beginning of working. Yes, guys. You know, say I Candy Empress in my place again. This is Roaring River Part 2. Big up on yourself, and I hope you guys all enjoy watching this film, okay? Don't worry yourself. I have a lot more vlogging to do when I get the time. Okay, love you guys. And I enjoy doing this vlogging for you so you can have something to watch when you're not doing anything and when you get bored. Okay? Alright, so no say Candy Empress in the place again and again and again, and I will be here again and again and again. Cause I don't know some love you and I know I look out for something new from me. Yes. So please go over to Candy Empress channel on YouTube and subscribe for me, please, and thank you very much. Please, I'm begging you to subscribe. Yes, and go over to Richard Brown Flames channel. Public report. Okay. Go and subscribe to the channel, man. Yes. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. One love from Jamaica. Yes, straight from yard to broad. Yeah, man. You know, say I can't impress this, you know. Yeah. One love to everybody all over the world. Yeah, man. Welcome to Candy Empress channel. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Love you guys. And thanks all of you guys that subscribe already and who don't subscribe yet. Please go over and subscribe for me. Thank you. Please and thank you. Yes, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So no don't know, say Candy Empress in the place. Watch your rain a fall. You know, watch me now. Rain a fall. I'm gonna do some vlogging for now because my love not bad. So I'm gonna be out now. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Love you, and I'm gonna be out now. Look on the last of the river. Look. Look at it. Look at it now. Look on it. We can't wait for no come down, come get a swimming there, you know. It's nice, you know. Rain a fall, but it's still a flow. It's running. Yeah, it's blessings from heaven. Rain falling. Love you guys. Love you so much. Please remember to subscribe, as I said before, and I will say it again. I know you guys will go over and subscribe, and all who not subscribe yet, me know say actually who no see the channel name yet. But remember, my name is Candy Empress, so please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe for me, please and thank you. I'm out. Love you guys always. Bye. Mwah.